In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use a SoFi account or checking account feature. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and sign up into your SoFi app and complete your application if you haven't already. Then you want to simply go ahead and fund your account. And finally, once you've done that, you want to start using the features. So on your checking account, you have a debit card, so you can use SoFi Debit Card everywhere. Visa is accepted. Also, no foreign transaction fees, tap to pay, and freeze or unfreeze your card instantly in the app. The second thing is going to be direct deposit. You can get your paycheck up to 2 days early and avoid monthly fees. The third thing is going to be transferring your money. So move your money between your SoFi account or to external banks, one-time or scheduled transfers, fast, easy, and secure. The other thing you can do is pay bills securely from your account, schedule one-time or recurring payments, never miss a due date. Also find fee-free ATMs. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.